Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to switch between workbooks, or in other words, how to move from one workbook to another in Excel easily. So right now we are in this workbook sales report, even as you can see from the name here. So normally we are used to switching between workbooks using this method. You go to the taskbar and then click on Excel, and then it will display all the open workbooks in your computer. For example, if you want to move to another workbook, just click on it. Right now we're in staff report. Again, if you want to move to another one, just go back to the taskbar in Excel and then click on the next workbook. So I'll show you an easier way on how you can switch between workbooks in Excel. So what you need to do is to go to the view tab and click on it, then go to switch windows, and it will display all the open workbooks in your computer. So right now we are in stock report. Even as you can see, it's ticked, and even from the name here you can see we are in stock report workbook. So to move to another workbook, so just click on it. So let's click staff report, and you can see we have switched. So again, to move to another one, just go back to the view tab, then switch windows, and then click on the next report. So the third one is the sales report. So it's as easy as that, and this marks the end of our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.